Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic is internal communication. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. Make sure you subscribe to get all the good content we're putting out. Check out the status bar below for our agenda, and make sure you stick around for those bonus questions. Our topic, internal communication, comes directly from 1345, section 5.5.3. There is no corresponding section for internal communication in 820. Internal communication in 5 words. Communicate internally, QMS Health. In this section, ISO clearly defines the requirements for top management to define internal processes for communicating throughout the organization. Top management will ensure routine communication takes place for the promotion and awareness of all applicable customer, regulatory, and quality management system requirements, and also the health and performance of the quality management system. So how do I know this is working? Well, top management has documented and implemented processes for communicating across the organization. They regularly communicate all applicable customer, regulatory, and QMS requirements, and they also communicate on the health and performance of the quality management system throughout the company. That communication flows 2 ways. It flows top down, but also bottom up. So how do I know it's not working? Well, first, top management hasn't established processes for communicating across the organization. Second, they're not promoting the awareness of customer, regulatory, or QMS requirements. Third, top management doesn't understand the performance or the effectiveness of the quality management system. And then finally, management is not communicating the performance of the quality management system across the organization. And now for those 3 bonus questions. First, what processes are defined for communicating the health and performance of the quality management system throughout the organization? Second, how does top management communicate the performance of the quality management system to all employees? And then finally, how often does this communication take place, and can I see the last communication? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Send any questions to qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder for Quality Systems Explained. Never stop learning.